The headlines about a second stimulus check are positive in the last few weeks, but there is still skepticism in many people that we will not see another round of stimulus payments. Where we stand and what's to come, let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. In this video, I will go over the most recent second stimulus check updates and address some of the skepticism we see out there. And for those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe this is your first time around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away. It doesn't cost you anything after all, and I will bring you all the stimulus updates along with other personal finance tips in the future. Let's get straight to it. So, as we know from last week's headlines, Washington is looking at another and possibly one last stimulus package. That could include a second stimulus check, more unemployment benefits, and possibly a payroll tax cuts. Now, millions of Americans are still waiting for the IRS to complete the first round of stimulus checks. At the same time, Congress and the White House are considering a possible second wave of payments to help boost what seems to be a very unstable U.S. economy. The catch here is that plans from House Democrats, Senate Republicans, and White House advisors, they all lay out different ideas on how to proceed moving forward. There are separate paths that they want to take for coronavirus rescue bill. Including in those different ideas is how much money would be allocated for individuals, families, and unemployment benefits. Personally, I think that in order for another bill to pass, it will need to have combined elements of all parties involved because they need to find a common ground for the people. The major proposals right now moving forward are still the HEROES Act as a bill that passed the House, the president's push for payroll tax cuts, and the statements from Mitch McConnell, who laid out parameters they would want to follow for a second round, including a cap on the size of the bill in regards to the spending amount, and that it would be the final stimulus package related to the coronavirus pandemic. I have already outlined my timeline and what we should expect, but the most recent updates in regards to the time frame are from the Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, who said that Congress may decide in the next few weeks. Now, at the same time, the White House officials anticipate that the executive branch will work on its own proposal throughout July. Early July to late July, if we cannot accept a bill by the 4th. Is what the timeline is at right now, in my opinion. The skepticism, though, about another stimulus check seems to be growing as well. Many people that I see commenting down on my videos, which thank you, by the way, I really appreciate it, and also looking out there at social media and other news reports, there are people that seem to think that we will not see another stimulus bill, and that very much might come true at the end. We don't know. However, at this point, after 3 months of staying at home and the economy slowly reopening, we can see that many people are struggling and will continue to struggle. And don't get me wrong, I am not advocating for free money here. Nothing in life is free. We will eventually pay back those stimulus checks in one way or another. But in times like these, I believe the people deserve another round of stimulus check to ease the financial struggles. Maybe not for everyone. Maybe not a $2,000 check or even a recurring monthly check. But from everything I have heard and seen lately, I am optimistic that within the next few weeks, the government will reach an agreement about one more stimulus package. I think it will be a lot harder for the IRS to figure out a way to distribute the second stimulus checks faster than passing the second stimulus checks, to be honest. Here's something to think about. Germany has committed more than 13% of its 2019 GDP in extra government spending, along with more than 7% of GDP in tax deferrals and 27% in liquidity provisions and other guarantees. The United States had put up 9% of 2019 GDP in stimulus spendings, along with 2.6% in deferrals and another 2.6% in liquidity provisions or guarantees. You do the math, you see the difference, and let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments, please. I will continue to bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share as well so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will find other helpful links, so don't forget to check those out. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.